Hey everybody, this is Kevin Lidversis, Sales Director at Newcastle Systems. Welcome to ProMat Virtual 2021. Today I'm going to take you through some of our products since you can't come visit us personally. We hope to see you next year though, for sure, face-to-face, but for now I'll go through the products. So this is our NB series, our most popular model. It's 24 inches wide. It's an excellent cart for receiving. You can see today it's kitted out with a Zebra ZT230 printer, a ruggedized scanner, running an ELO touchscreen, and really what this is great is printing labels and taking it to the point of activity. So as product comes in, you're wheeling this right to that pallet and applying labels. So much faster, much better process, and much more accurate. We are showing our new design for our dock design for our Nucleus Classic, and these batteries are designed to run 24/7. They're hot swappable. They last 5 to 7 years, great value, very light. The workers love these things because they can go 24/7 and be super productive. And I think a lot of folks visiting ProMat, that's what you're looking for. Productivity and the ability to compete and get better. So here's a typical configuration of a receiving cart: a Zebra printer, a handheld computer, and our lithium batteries. So the worker basically will take that to where the load comes in, pull the packing slip, give it a quick visual, scan it, the barcode, look up the data, and print the labels, all while standing there. So there's no motion. And then he'll just remove those labels, walk a foot or two, apply them to the right box, which ensures accuracy. No defects here. Speed is there, accuracy is here. And now he'll just put a cone on to alert the material handler. The load is ready to be put away. Here's a typical receiving process showing before and after using carts. You can clearly see that time has elapsed. Using a cart will literally save you 52% in time. So this is our PC series. It's featuring our Nucleus Classic battery. Again, designed for 24/7 operation, hot swappable, very light, 5 to 7 year battery life. This is a great cart for shipping applications because you can power an inkjet printer, Zebra printer for printing labels, inkjet for paper, packing slips, bills of ladings, and it's got a spot here for a foldable shelf which you can put a box on, pack it, label it, put in your packing slip, and get things out fast. And again, what this is great for is on a dock setting, you can take this to any pallet. If you have sales, overnight sales, take this to where the pallet is, label it, get it out the door fast, and most importantly, get it out the door accurately. The paperwork matches, the customer's happy, and you get a lot more speed and a lot more throughput. Here's one of our shipping stations: Zebra printer, inkjet printer, scanner, and shipping software. And it's a great solution for shipping docks. You can see the operator is going to take this down to the pallet that's going out the door, scan it to verify the contents, look it up in WMS, print labels while he's looking at the box so there's no inaccuracy, print out a bill of lading which will match. When you do one set at a time, you guarantee accuracy. Print out the bill of lading for the carrier to apply to the top of the pallet for the shipping clerk to be prepared. He'll put a cone on there for a visual single to let the material handler know this is ready to ship. And then he'll just take his cart down the line to the next order and repeat that process. This is our LT series, which stands for laptop cart. You can see it has very vibrant colors. In fact, at MODEX last year, the last show we did in person, this got a lot of attention, mainly because you can see it's kind of cool looking, right? It's got a great footprint. It's got a cup holder, place for a scanner. You have a laptop. You can take this anywhere in your facility, and is powered by our Nucleus Mini batteries, which have a 5 to 7 year lifespan. Very light, very easy to use, and this cart will, it's economical, so it's very affordable. Great way to get into mobile power, but it has tremendous value in that you can usually get an ROI in less than 6 months. Okay, so save time, save footsteps, become more productive this year, increase your capacity, reduce your errors, all using this product. Great product, and I hope you take a hard look at it. Thanks for stopping by our virtual booth at ProMat 2021. We hope to see you live next year. Mobile powered carts, think about them as a means to help you make your workers more safe, increase your capacity, your throughput, eliminate accuracy problems. Labeling is a huge problem in this space, and it's so simple. It's just take your worker to where the work has to happen. You'll eliminate that. That alone will really pay for the price of our product. and help you realize those goals. There's a lot of pressure out there, which is why people are coming to ProMat in the first place. They're trying to get better. Let us help you do that. Thank you.